March is known as the Rodeo month in Houston. Hundreds of cowboys made their way across the state to open the event. March is also going to be known for the TAC SAP Asset and Service Conference, this 25th and 26th. On the 24th, PiLog will be leading with SAP and Wood a workshop to talk about master data and the significance it'll make in your business to help you achieve the ROI you've always been looking for. I'm Tracy Bennett. Come by and see us. I'd be happy to talk to you about what we can do for you.
PiLog, 30 years of excellence.